What's up, guys? I'm Sara. I'm the Customer Success Director here at Direction, and today we are going to do a deep dive into backlinks and why you should care. All right, let's begin. Okay, what are backlinks in the first place? Backlinks refer to links from other websites that direct users to your website. In other words, when another website links to your website, it creates a backlink for your website. Backlinks are important for several reasons. We're going to start with my favorite, SEO. Backlinks play a crucial role in SEO, or search engine optimization, by indicating to search engines that other websites find your content to be valuable and relevant. This can result in higher search engine rankings and more organic traffic to your website. Secondly, referral traffic. If a reputable website like the New York Times links to your site, it not only enhances your SEO, but it can also bring referral traffic to your website. People who visit the referring website, like the New York Times, may click on your link and visit your website, leading to increased traffic. Next, we have brand building. Backlinks can help build your brand's reputation and credibility. When other websites link to your site, they're essentially endorsing your content and your brand. Keeping with our previous example, the New York Times is a credible source and they're citing you, which means they're also saying that you are a credible source, which ultimately means users are more likely to navigate to your site through that backlink. And finally, we have networking. I won't lie to you, acquiring backlinks takes time and effort. Building relationships with other websites in your industry can lead to opportunities for content collaboration and guest blogging. This can help you reach new audiences and expand your online presence, while also building your expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, or EAT for short. All right, to wrap it all up, backlinks are important for SEO, referral traffic, brand building, and networking. Take your time to build solid and genuine relationships with other businesses in your industry so that you can build your EAT, acquire more valuable backlinks, and increase traffic to your site. If you would like more information on building your EAT, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and share your experience with building backlinks in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. See you next time.